So we're going to discuss the product of powers with exponents, and these are properties in how to simplify exponents. And so basically using notation, what I would have is if I had some term a to the n times a to the m, because the bases are the same, the property tells us to add the exponents. Okay, so we'll do a couple things to show how we're able to do this. So for example, if I had 2 squared times 2 cubed, that's the same as 2 times 2, and that's our first term, times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 cubed. Well, how many 2's do we have? 5. So if we take the 2 and the 3 and add them together, we get the 5. So when we're multiplying terms that have the same base, we're going to add their exponents. So the quick step is we are going to skip all this stuff, know the property, and we're just going to take 2 squared times 2 cubed. You don't have to write this step out, I'm just showing the work. And that gives us 2 to the 5th. It works the same way with variables. If we had variables, we would just take, x cubed times x to the 4th, and it would be the same as x times x times x. This is our cubed term. This is the same as x cubed times x times x times x times x. This is our x to the 4th. Well, how many total x's do we have? We're multiplying 7 x's. So x cubed times x to the 4th is the same as x to the 7th. Doesn't matter what the variable is. If we had y's or z's or whatever, y squared times y to the 3rd. Well, what's 2 plus 3? 5. Okay? We do not need to write this step out. And for simple problems, we don't need to show the addition between the two exponents. We can do that in our head, and we just come to the solution of y to the 5th.